Hey pizza lovers, we totally get the struggle of trying to make that perfect homemade pizza, the crispy crust, gooey cheese, and fresh toppings all coming together in harmony. Making pizza at home is an experience in itself, but let's be real, it's not always smooth sailing. Unevenly cooked dough, an oven that just won't get hot enough, and that elusive authentic flavor that's so hard to nail. Well, that's exactly where these three amazing pizza ovens come in. Each one is designed to meet different needs and expectations, and they're about to change the game for homemade pizza. Welcome to our side-by-side comparison. Let's dive in. Pizzaiolo. Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Pizza Oven. Is it really worth it? If you're looking for just a pizza oven, the Ninja Woodfire might surprise you, because this thing does way more than just pizza. It's an 8-in-1 outdoor oven that can grill, roast, smoke, bake, dehydrate, and even keep food warm. Sounds impressive, but does it actually deliver? Let's find out. First impressions? This thing is built like a tank. It's fully electric, so no messing around with gas or wood. Setup is a breeze because it comes fully assembled. Just pop in the accessory frame and pizza stone and you're good to go. Here are the key specs. Size, 21.5 inches by 18 inches by 15.1 inches. Power, 1700 watts at 120 volts. Weight, 32.4 pounds. It heats up to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for New York-style pizza. But if you're aiming for authentic Neapolitan pizza, you'll need at least 800 to 950 degrees Fahrenheit, so keep that in mind. New York-style pizza, 600 degrees Fahrenheit, 5 minutes and done. Crispy crust, soft inside, and zero need to turn the pizza. Super easy. Neapolitan pizza. At 700 degrees Fahrenheit, it does a decent job, but the crust doesn't puff up quite enough. Smoking and roasting can fit an 8-pound chicken or 9-pound pork shoulder. Just note, you'll need to add pellets every 30 minutes for a stronger smoke flavor. High heat roasting. 700 degrees Fahrenheit means a perfectly seared steak in 7 minutes. Now here's the cool part. Ninja's Woodfire technology. With just half a cup of pellets, you can add real wood-fired flavor to whatever you're cooking. Final verdict, should you buy it? Awesome for New York-style pizzas. Great for smoking, roasting, and high-heat cooking. Super easy to use, preheats fast. Max temp is a bit low for true Neapolitan pizza. Limited to 12-inch pizzas. Might be small for big families. If you're looking for a versatile outdoor oven, the Ninja Woodfire is seriously impressive. Just don't expect it to replace a dedicated Neapolitan pizza oven. What do you think? Would you buy this? Let me know in the comments. Ooni Volt 12, the electric pizza oven that changes the game. If you're into making pizza at home, you've probably heard of Ooni. They've got a ton of pizza ovens, but until now, all of them were outdoor only and powered by gas, wood, or pellets. That's great, unless you live somewhere cold where making pizza outside is a summer-only activity. But that all changed with the Ooni Volt 12, their first fully electric pizza oven that works both indoors and outdoors. And get this, it heats up to 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 20 minutes and can cook a Neapolitan-style pizza in 90 seconds. Sounds impressive, right? Let's see if it actually delivers. Right off the bat, this thing looks premium. Carbon steel shell, glass door, and a modern touchscreen with control dials. It's got built-in handles for easy lifting, non-slip feet, and an interior light so you can watch your pizza cook in real time. Size, 24.2 inches by 20.8 inches by 10.9 inches. Power, fully electric, 150 to 850 degrees. Fahrenheit range weight, 39.2 pounds. Noise level, quiet, quieter than a toaster oven. Unlike Ooni's gas and wood-fired models, the Volt uses dual heating elements, top and bottom, instead of an open flame. And the coolest part? It automatically adjusts the heat based on the type of pizza you're making. Neapolitan pizza? 850 degrees Fahrenheit, with more heat coming from the top for that leopard-spotted char. New York-style pizza? 650 degrees Fahrenheit with balanced heat for a crispier crust. Want full control? You can manually adjust the heat settings. Does it really make pizzeria-quality pizza? 850 degrees Fahrenheit in 20 minutes? Yep, we tested it. It actually hit that temp. Neapolitan pizza in 90 seconds? Crispy base, pillowy crust, perfect char. Recovery time, super fast. You're ready for the next pizza in just a few minutes. We made over a dozen pizzas in the Volt, both indoors and outdoors. The results? Consistently fantastic. Whether it was a broccoli rabe and anchovy pizza outside or a tomato and herb pizza inside, every pie came out with an even bake, crispy bottom and that classic wood-fired look, all without needing to mess with fuel or flames. The indoor advantage: No smoke, no hassle. One big concern with indoor pizza ovens: smoke. The good news is the Volt barely smokes, unless you go crazy with the flour. Even after 40 minutes of back-to-back pizzas, it didn't set off my very sensitive fire alarm. But there are a couple of small quirks. The touchscreen gets a little warm after long use. The power cord could be longer. Cleaning and maintenance: easy mode activated. The pizza stone is removable so you can easily shake off crumbs. The glass door wipes clean with a damp cloth. The interior is self-cleaning. Any leftover food burns off during use. Is it worth the price? Absolutely killer for Neapolitan pizza lovers. Super easy to use, zero guesswork. Fast, powerful, and works indoors and outdoors. It's not cheap, around $900. It's bulky, so you'll need storage space. If you want pizzeria-level pizza at home with zero hassle, the Ooni Volt 12 is one of the best electric pizza ovens on the market. It's not for budget buyers, but if you're serious about pizza, this thing delivers. Would you pick this over a gas or wood-fired pizza oven? Drop your thoughts in the comments. The Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo. If you've ever dreamed of making authentic wood-fired quality pizza at home, this oven might just be your new best friend. Can you really make Neapolitan pizza at home? When we talk about Neapolitan pizza, we're talking about soft, airy crusts with those signature charred spots, a perfectly crisp bottom, and a delightfully tender center. The problem? Most home ovens max out at around 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 290 degrees Celsius, which isn't nearly hot enough to achieve that perfect balance. That's where the Breville Pizzaiolo comes in. This oven reaches an impressive 750 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius, almost the same temperature as professional wood-fired pizza ovens, and the best part, it gets there in just 15 minutes, compared to a traditional oven that's lightning fast. Easy setup and user-friendly design. Setting up the Pizzaiolo is incredibly simple. Just plug it into a standard outlet, and within minutes, you're ready to go. It comes with 7 preset cooking modes, so whether you're making a classic Neapolitan pizza, a crispy New York-style slice, or even a deep dish pizza, you can get perfect results every time. If you prefer full control, the manual mode lets you fine-tune the temperature and cooking time to your liking. Inside, the oven features 3 heating elements, 1 at the base and 2 on top, which ensures even cooking without making the crust too hard. Plus, thanks to its efficient design, there's no heat loss while cooking, meaning you can make multiple pizzas back-to-back without any waiting time. One of the hallmarks of true Neapolitan pizza is the leopard spotting, those beautiful charred bubbles on the crust that form when dough is cooked at high heat for a short time. With the Pizzaiolo, achieving this is totally possible. If you like experimenting, you can play around with different flour and hydration ratios to find your perfect dough. And it's not just for pizza. You can also use it to bake focaccia, pita bread, or even roast some veggies. Technical specs: material: stainless steel dimensions, 18.1 by 18.5 by 10.6 inches, max temperature 750 degrees Fahrenheit, 400 degrees Celsius, cooking modes, 7 preset programs plus manual control heating elements, 3-zone heating system, bottom and top, power consumption, 1,800 watts, pizza size capacity, 12-inch, 30 centimeters. Included accessories: pizza peel, pizza pan, warranty, 2-year limited warranty. If you're serious about making restaurant-quality pizza at home, the Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo is an incredible choice. With its high heat capability, convenient cooking modes, and fast performance, it's a must-have for pizza lovers. If you love making homemade pizza and want an oven that truly makes a difference, the Pizzaiolo won't disappoint.